Welcome to Hoyist.com. This is Noor, the founder and CEO. So I started a playlist in which I will be trying to tell you how you can start a complete successful web hosting business. So in today's video, we are going to see how you can set up WHMCS Marketconnect. So you could earn separate amount of revenue by offering add-ons or other services and products that would be sold that wouldn't be sold directly. And if you go for selling them those add-ons like SSL certificates, you might need a good amount of money or to add fund. Basically you might need a good amount of budget or amount to invest in to add those funds in the provider. Like if you go for selling DigiCert certificates, SSL certificate, you need to invest at least $500. But if you go for WHMCS Market Connect, you just need to invest. If you don't want to, it's your choice. You can go just for free. When you got an order, you can just place an order manually. But if you want to automate the procedure, you can just add $20 or $50 funds in your WHMCS Market Connect account, and you will be able to set up the whole procedure. Okay, automate. Okay, and WHMCS Market Connect is the best feature right now because it's completely automated, and WHMCS provide the module. And the module is the best module which is right now in WHMCS is the module that are optimized by personally WHMCS. Okay, before getting started, I just want to walk you through with our reseller hosting services. If you go for our reseller hosting, we are starting at just, if you scroll down, we are starting at just $4.99 per month. We are offering 50 client account, unlimited NVMe, 4 GB of RAM, unlimited email accounts. Inodes are unlimited. Like suppose if you go for any other web hosting provider, they are not offering unlimited inodes, and 4 GB RAM is also an add-on at Hoyist.com. If you go for any other web hosting provider, they are not offering 4 GB RAM. Okay. Then next is we are offering 3-month discount on 2 or 3 year purchase. If you go for 2 or 3 year billing, your 3 months will be free of cost. Okay, like suppose you will get an extra 3-month discount. Okay, next we are offering free domain name. And if you go for next our reseller hosting, we are offering free WordPress manager, free website builder, free cPanel Lightspeed is also free, email filtering, SSL certificate, auto SSL, and all SSL certificates are free. Okay, we offer free malware protection. We offer free website migration. If you have hosted you are hosted already at any other reseller hosting provider and you want to migrate at Hoyist.com, you can just open a customer support ticket with us after purchasing the plan, and we will migrate your whole reseller hosting accounts. Okay, as per our terms and conditions. Next is we are offering optimized WooCommerce. Now this is a feature at Hoyist.com that 99.99% reseller hosting provider don't offer. Okay, we offer free WP toolkit, and our servers are completely optimized. Like if you want to offer your client subcategory web hosting such as WordPress hosting, WooCommerce hosting, you can offer them with the WP toolkit add-on. Like if you go for any other reseller hosting provider, for example, Namecheap, if you go for WordPress, if you go for Name Hero, ChemiCloud, or any other reseller hosting provider, they don't offer WP add-on, WP toolkit add-on. Okay, if still they are offering it as an add-on, and they charge about $5 to $9 per month to add this add-on into your reseller hosting. Okay, next is we offer developer-friendly reseller hosting like SSH access is enabled, Git support, Bash, Terminal, Laravel, Ruby, Python, Node.js, Django, MongoDB. Like if you and on-demand backups is another feature at Hoyist.com. If you go for any other reseller hosting product, on-demand backups are not available. 99% of web hosting product don't do offer on-demand backups, but we offer on-demand backups as per our terms and condition. You have to follow just them. Okay. Next, we offer resources usage, the report, Ruby version selector, PHP workers, which are cron jobs. They are available and unlimited. Okay. Next is 99.9% uptime, multiple PHP versions, auto SSL certificates, 24/7 server monitoring. Like these features are not available at Hoyist any other reseller hosting product, but at Hoyist we are offering this feature as a free feature. Okay, this is a guarantee. If you go for any other reseller hosting product, they are not offering. A few are offering, but they are offering this as an paid add-on. Okay, like if you want to offer your client Node.js web hosting separate category like Node.js hosting, Ruby hosting, Python hosting. If you scroll down with to our my menu in our to the footer menu, you can see here we are offering also subcategorized web hosting. The internet reseller web hosting is another web hosting. Radio hosting is another hosting type or category. If you want to purchase those, we do offer internet reseller hosting, but for right now we are on. Let's come to our point. Next is we offer a reseller hosting advanced plan at just $10 with 200 client account. Agency and business plan. Business plan come with limited client account, and agency plan come with the 500 client account. Now we are offering 4 GB of RAM and free domain name. Now this is a guarantee. If you go for any other web hosting, they will not offer you a free domain name with this pricing structure. And if you go for monthly basis, still I'm saying their pricing will be double. Like they will be offering 10 to 20 to $30 per month on a monthly basis. Okay, but if you go for Hoyist.com with monthly basis, your domain, your billing will be same. And if you go for yearly or 2 or 3 year billing, system, your domain name will be free. Okay, so I would suggest you to look our, check our reseller hosting plan. If you haven't choose any other reseller hosting product, and if you choose and you are stuck with that reseller hosting product and you want to migrate, just visit our website and you can open customer support ticket. And right now we have a WhatsApp customer support also available on, you can use this icon to access our WhatsApp customer support. Maybe this customer support come to an end within a month, 2 months or 3, I don't know, but right now we have free WhatsApp support, customer support available. Okay, so let's get started with our video's topic. So let's see how you can set up WHMCS Marketconnect. Now if I go to Marketconnect section here, and if I just provide a password here, now there are these options to set up. Like you can, so let's see how you can set this whole things up. And the first thing you have to do is you just click on this login and create account. Now you can sign up from here, like create account here, but the best is go to the WHMCS Marketconnect website and you can set up your account and make sure to provide the information like your name, your company at WHMCS Marketconnect. Okay, make sure to sign up here, because if you will sign up here, basically you will provide the information here which will actually helpful for you in when you will be setting up the hosting company. And there are also options that would be helpful for you. Okay, so let's see how we can set this up. Now I'm already signed up and I don't actually have funds in my account. My balance is 0. Now let's set up. If you want to add the funds, you can just go to WHMCS and actually add your funds. And right now I don't have any fund. I told you guys you can add this $20 or $40 fund. If I would suggest you to go for at least $20 fund, but I will not, because I personally don't use Marketconnect. Okay, now let's see. Okay, set a decision. Just click on start selling button and this pop-up appear, and just you need to click on the activate now. And as soon you will click on this is activated, click on the manage section here, manage button, and go to the products, and you can set up here the price. Like I will suggest you to go for offering these all products if you are working on it. But if you want to set up some product, like if you don't want to send Rapid SSL Whitecode or the Quick SSL GeoTrust SSL, you can uncheck them and inactivate them. But I will suggest you to offer these. Okay, now the next is if you want to set up the pricing. Now pricing, the WHMCS cost. Now if you will resell, now basically you are reselling the service, you can just go for annual. Now SSL is your client need to at least go for annual purchase for SSL. Now Rapid SSL annual purchase is just $10.59 from WHMCS. It will cost you $10.59 from WHMCS, and WHMCS recommend to sell at this price. Okay, but if you want to sell it to $19 on the yearly basis, or $20 or $15, you can go ahead. But I won't suggest you leave it as it is, because as a startup you should not go for charging high price. Okay, if you want to go for discount, go for discount. Discount is also not recommended. These are the add-on. If client wants, they can purchase them, but if they don't, okay, if you go for you can generate a very good amount of revenue. Like if you sell this SSL certificate, you can generate around about almost $300 to $400 or $300. Okay, and same if you go for these are also the same. If you go for this, and if you go for these, you can earn about at least $1,000 of revenue in your according to me it would be cost about $700 $800. Okay, so you could earn a good amount of revenue. But these services don't actually sell easily sell by you. Like if you go for most of the people those who purchase this $1,000 $2,000 SSL certificate, they go directly to the provider, because the company provide the original everything. Okay, so best is go for offering these add-ons. Okay, if you can offer them also, but I don't think so you will get an order, because these are the, if somebody spending $2,000, they could go for the original provider. Okay, now if I go to Hoyist.com and this, okay, here you can see we got a SSL certificate. This is an SSL certificate add-on. If somebody want to go for this, they can go. Okay, here is a page. This is a by default page for from WHMCS, though which is actually created when you activate the. For the first time, it might take a minute or 2 minutes to set up your page. I don't know the reason why it's taking a lot. Now you can see if you want to set this pages, you can, and if somebody want to purchase it, they just need to click on this button, and here you go. Your client can purchase a certificate. Okay. Now guys, let's see if you want to set up the NordVPN. NordVPN is the same. If you go by this and just activate it, your client can purchase a NordVPN from you if you want to. Like here you can see. Okay. If you go on the source section again on the store page, here you can see VPN section. On the VPN section, the NordVPN page is created. Okay. And you can see here NordVPN. If they want to purchase NordVPN, they can purchase it. Okay. And then the next is email security. I don't suggest you to go for offering. The best is if you go for site builder. Start setting, activate it, and the best thing here, guys, you're gonna get credit for this. If you go for the product, this is a free trial page. This is totally for free. Okay, and if I go here on the store page again, here you can see site builder, and the first plan here is totally completely free. Yeah, I'll show you guys. This is actually taking time because for the first time it might take a time. Here you can see it's totally free, but I don't know what the reason why I can't find the page. Let me check, guys. Here you can see try site jet builder for free, and you can offer your clients for free. This is totally for free for the life. Okay, this is basically basically this is totally free for the life. Okay, here you can see these are the plan. You can earn a good amount of commission from here. Same again. And the next is SiteLog or Weebly. Weebly is also a website builder, but Jet Builder is actually better. And the next is SiteLog. SiteLog is also a good add-on if you want to go for my suggestion. I actually don't suggest you to go for offering this, but if you still want to, you can go ahead. And if you go ahead, you can just go for SiteLog. SiteLog is also for free. I don't actually know that SiteLog is free, but SiteLog is also free. Okay. Now you can see SiteLog is totally for free. If you want to offer your client SiteLog for free, you can offer them. And now I need to find here link to offer this trial. Basically, this is a trial for a few site. Now SiteLog actually what does it actually protects the site from malware protection and all those things. Okay, so if you want to offer them, you can offer them. Okay, this is how you can set up the WHMCS Marketconnect. Guys, if you ask for my suggestion, I would suggest you to go for at least offering SiteLog, site builder. This will be better. You can get clients, but personally I won't suggest you to go for DigiSite and SiteLog because managing these services is not at all actually easy. Okay, if you're going to offer these services as a full-time, you're going to start a hosting company as a full-time, then go ahead and offer these services. Otherwise don't, because they might cause an issue to you while managing that. Okay, this is my only suggestion. If you want to go use these services, you can. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Take care.